Hi, today I'm going to be talking about a very powerful ritual that I follow. It is scripting. I have talked about this even in the past. Journaling or scripting is a very powerful tool. It's a very, very, very magical way of expressing your thoughts on paper. Not just that, you will find that you get the solutions very easily on paper rather than, just brainstorming about it. So when you write, you are actually putting into motion the thoughts that are running in your mind and your physical kinesthetic medium of writing, that is through touch. You are writing it and you are engraving it on the piece of paper. So it's a very, very beautiful way of expressing your thoughts. And not just that, you can use different prompts, like prompts such as what if I find a cure of cancer. What if the great scientists and great medical practitioners find a solution to all the pressing problems of diseases and this new wave of COVID and any such viruses which are coming out. It can be anything, okay? So, what if is another very beautiful prompt. I love is also a very beautiful prompt. I love going on walks. I love exercising. I love cooking. I love traveling to different destinations. So, this is another prompt. One of the very beautiful prompt is also from the area of gratitude. That is, I'm so very grateful and thankful for, and then you finish the sentences. It is a very beautiful way of expressing. Not just that, you are in that high vibration when you are writing it, and when you are expressing gratitude to the universe, to the divine. This is a very powerful tool. I was practicing it even when I was in school and during my graduation days. Not just that, I discontinued for a while, but then I have picked it up, like, very recently once again. But I have been doing it on and off, even for my goal setting, whether short term, long term. Writing about whatever is going on in my life, and if I want to find a solution to a problem, I will just express it on the paper. um, these days, when the technology has advanced so much, we are always on our computers or always on our mobile. We are typing our thoughts and we are sending smss and messages. But rather than typing on a laptop or on a mobile, the best way is to express it on the piece of paper, because your mind as well as your hand, both are in motion and both are expressing itself. So it happens very faster. You will find that whatever you write gets manifested in the physical world very fast. And even scientists and researchers have found that this is a very good way of bringing into the physical world what you want for yourself, how to achieve your goals. This is a very beautiful tool, and I would suggest this to all my friends and colleagues. I would suggest all those watching this video, all of you, to start journaling and do it for some while and see whether it benefits you or not. I'm sure that you would also love it. And some of us are poets, some of us are authors. We write, but writing on a laptop and writing on a piece of paper or in a notebook, it is very different experience. I have kept a journal for myself. I'll show you. I've kept a journal where I just add a date to the content, and I just start writing in a free flowing format. I don't even use a prompt at times, but when I want to up my vibration, I use this prompt. I'm very thankful and grateful for. I would suggest that you all also take it up. Do it for 10 minutes in a day, whether it is in the morning or in the evening, and see the difference that it makes in your life. Thank you.